dive into these delightful culinary creations designed to make your evening unforgettable. First up, we have a classic, creamy garlic shrimp pasta. Quick to prepare, this dish combines succulent shrimp with a rich, garlicky sauce. It's guaranteed to bring a smile to your partner's face. Next, try our honey-glazed salmon with asparagus. This recipe strikes the perfect balance of sweet and savory, with tender salmon fillets and crisp asparagus. It's both healthy and heartwarming. For a touch of elegance, serve a prosciutto-wrapped chicken with sage. The prosciutto adds a salty, crispy layer to the juicy chicken, while the sage provides an aromatic delight. Simple, yet sophisticated. Our fourth recipe is a vegetarian option: stuffed portobello mushrooms. Filled with spinach, ricotta, and sun-dried tomatoes, these mushrooms are hearty and satisfying. They're sure to please even the most discerning palate. In the mood for something exotic? Try our coconut curry chicken. This dish is bursting with flavor from coconut milk, curry spices, and tender chicken. It's a warm, comforting choice for any date night. For a lighter option, consider lemon herb grilled fish. Marinated in fresh lemon juice and herbs, this fish is grilled to perfection. Its light and refreshing taste will make your evening feel special. Pasta lovers will adore our next recipe: spinach and ricotta stuffed shells. Baked in a rich tomato sauce, these cheesy shells are indulgent and delicious. An easy dish that feels luxurious. Our seventh recipe is beef tenderloin with red wine sauce. This dish features a perfectly cooked tenderloin, drizzled with a rich, flavorful red wine reduction. It's a true showstopper for any dinner. For a taste of the Mediterranean, try our Greek-style lamb chops. Marinated in olive oil, lemon, and herbs, these lamb chops are grilled to perfection. Serve with a side of tzatziki for extra flair. Looking for a comfort food classic? Our bacon mac and cheese with truffle oil will do the trick. It's creamy, cheesy, and the hint of truffle oil adds a luxurious twist. Next, we have a delightful dessert to cap off your meal: chocolate lava cake. With a gooey, molten center, this rich chocolate cake is the perfect ending to a romantic evening. Each dish is designed to make your evening special and memorable. Happy cooking and enjoy your date night. Please like and subscribe. It helps our channel immensely and gives us reason to continue on. Thank you for watching.